Welcome students, welcome to the science class for class 3. So students, we have completed our lesson our body. So in today's video, we are going to solve the exercise which is on page number 52. Okay. So everybody be ready with your pencil and your textbook. Let us start with the exercise. The first question is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks using the correct words. Yes. Now, I'll write down only the answers on the board. You just copy it down in your textbook. What is the first fill in the blank? First is fill in the blanks. I'll write down the answers. The smallest part of our body is called cell or tissue. Yes, which is the smallest part of our body? Whether cell or tissue? It is cell, because together cells form a tissue. So many cells together will form tissue. So cell is the smallest part. So write down the answer as cell. Okay, wrote? Yes, very good. Second question, all the bones together form the dash. Whether skeleton or muscles, together bones will form? Yes, they will form skeleton. Skeleton is made up of bones. Next, the air we breathe in goes down through the windpipe or lungs. Yes, the air which we breathe, it goes into the lungs, but through which pipe it goes to the lungs? It goes through the windpipe. It is written that it is in the fill in the blank. The statement is the air we breathe in goes down through the windpipe. Through the windpipe. Where does it goes? It doesn't. It is not asking where it goes. Through which part it goes? Through windpipe. Fourth, the dash pumps blood to all parts of body. Which is that organ that pumps blood to all parts of body? It is heart. So, heart pumps the blood to all parts of body. Fifth, exercise makes the body healthy or fat. Yes, if you exercise, how will your body be healthy or fat? Yes, it will be healthy. So the answer is healthy. Completed the fill in the blanks. The second question is match the following. So let us match. Here in column A there is the organ systems and different organ systems, and column B is having the different organs. So excretory system. First, excretory system. Which is the organ that is related to excretory system? Lungs, stomach, brain, kidney or heart? Yes, it is kidney. Kidney throws out the waste of our body in the form of urine. So, excretory system will have match the following. Okay. So the first is excretory system. Excretory system, it is related to kidney, because kidney is the organ that is involved in excretory system. Second, respiratory system. Which is the organ that is related to respiratory system? Lungs, stomach, brain or heart? Yes, lungs. Lungs is the organ of the respiratory system. Third, circulatory system. Which is the organ that is related to the circulatory system? Stomach, brain or heart? Yes, it is stomach. Circulatory system, it is heart. Heart pumps the blood and it passes to the all body parts. And next is the digestive system. Digestive system involves, which is the organ that involves in digestive system? It is stomach. And the fifth one, that is nervous system. Which is the organ that is involved in this nervous system? That is brain. Yes. Excretory system kidney, respiratory system lungs, circulatory system heart, digestive system stomach, and nervous system brain. Now, state the following whether it is true or false. Different organ systems make up an organ. Is it true? No, it is false. Different organs together make up the organ system. It is not that organ system will make the organs. So the first one is false. First is false. The air we breathe out is called inhaled air. The air that we breathe out. Breathe out means we are throwing out. Is it inhaled or exhaled? It is exhaled. So second one is also false. The air which we breathe in is called inhaled. It is not the air that we breathe out. The urinary bladder stores urine. Yes, it is true. It stores urine. The reproductive system helps in producing young ones. Yes, it is true. Question number 5. Exercise relaxes the body and helps us sleep well. Yes, it is true. No, sorry. Exercise, it keeps our body fit and healthy. And what is that which helps us to relax our body and sleep well? It is rest. So exercise only keeps us fit and healthy, and rest is also necessary for our body, that keeps us relaxed and helps us to sleep well. So the last one is false. Now the second D one. Name the following. Different organs grouped together. Which is that? Different organs are grouped together. What will it form? Yes, it will form an organ system. Then second. The part of the body that connects the nerves to the brain. The part of the body which connects the nerves to the brain, which is that? It is spinal cord. It is spinal cord. You can open the diagram of the nervous system and you can see the part that connects the nerves to the brain. The organ that pumps blood to all body parts. Which is that organ that pumps the blood? It is heart. Next. The thin tubes through which blood flows. Which are the thin tubes? What are the thin tubes called? They are called blood vessels. Blood vessels. Yes. The part of the body that forms urine. Which is the part of the body that forms urine? It is kidney. Yes. So in this way we have completed the objective type questions on page number 52. So students, the remaining questions again I will send it as a home assignment in your WhatsApp group. Till then, read this and learn these, fill in the blanks, objectives, and name the following. So read the lesson once again and practice it. The remaining question and answers will be sent on the WhatsApp. Okay? Stay safe and stay healthy.